Hey everyone, Ben here, lead engineer for the Camp Stove 2. Today, I'm going to take you inside your Camp Stove 2's fire to show you how we burn wood like gas and turn those flames into electricity. First, a quick anatomy lesson. The Camp Stove 2's patented technology has three key elements: the burn chamber, precision airflow system, and a thermoelectric generator. I'll be calling that a TEG. The burn chamber, as you can guess, is where it all starts. Using biomass like sticks, pellets, or pine cones, you light your portable campfire here. When it gets hot enough, the precision airflow system kicks in, injecting your fire with just the right amount of oxygen through 51 jets located inside the chamber, enabling the complete combustion of your fuel. In our system, you're burning smoke before it ever has a chance to escape the chamber. Smoke in a typical open fire is just unused fuel, a sign of incomplete combustion. With improved airflow, we're using up every particle, giving you a better, cleaner flame to cook your meals and charge your gear. Speaking of charging your gear, let's talk about the TEG. The TEG takes some of the heat from your fire and converts it into electricity through a phenomenon known as the Seebeck effect. It works off heat differential, meaning it needs a hot side and a cold side. The aluminum probe inside your fire is the hot side. The fan and heatsink inside the power pack make up the cold side. The stronger your fire, the hotter the hot side, the more electricity is created. Here's how the whole system comes together. The electricity generated powers the internal airflow system, running the fan inside your Camp Stove 2 so it can create that complete combustion we talked about earlier. With a strong fire going, the Camp Stove 2 produces 3 watts of continuous power, enough to charge phones, lights, cameras, and more. Surplus electricity is stored in the onboard battery, so you can charge devices via USB in real time or whenever you need, even when the fire isn't going. As you can see, there's a lot going on inside the Camp Stove 2, so we designed an LED dashboard that gives you immediate feedback on your system. The orange lights represent your fire strength, and the power available to you for charging is represented by the green LEDs. The Camp Stove 2 comes with 4 fan speeds represented by the 4 blue lights in the middle. The more air you introduce, the stronger your fire and the higher your output power. Increased airflow, improved combustion, and thermoelectrics. That's how you turn fire into the energy you want to cook your meals and charge your gear. From all of us here at BioLite, thanks for watching.
This is Lockitron. It fits over your current deadbolt and lets you lock or unlock your door from your phone. Lockitron unlocks your door for you. You can share access to your door with anyone, anywhere, instantly. You can control Lockitron from anywhere in the world. Last year, we released the world's first commercially available internet-connected door lock that worked with any phone. News outlets like the New York Times, Popular Science, and Reader's Digest raved about Lockitron. Since then, we've been hard at work to make a newer, smarter version of Lockitron. The new Lockitron isn't a door lock. It installs on the inside of the door, so renters can use it too. You can now Airbnb your place when you're out of town. Lockitron lets your guests in for you. You can easily extend their stay and make sure the door is locked on their way out. Lockitron will send you a message when someone unlocks the door, even if they use a key. If you run, you don't need to take a key with you. Lockitron works with any phone on the market. It will even work with text messages. Lockitron is the perfect solution for co-working spaces. No more keys to manage, simply grant or revoke access at a moment's notice. Lockitron will even send you a notification when someone is at the door, thanks to a built-in knock sensor. Installation is incredibly simple. Loosen your deadbolt using the included Phillips head screwdriver. Slide the back plate between your door and the lock. Tighten, and secure Lockitron to your door by twisting the knob. Lockitron comes in several colors and finishes, including Obsidian Black, Bondi Blue, and Quicksilver.
Lockitron uses the same cryptographic protocols found in online banks. Unlike with regular keys, if you misplace your phone, you can remotely disable your account by changing the password.
Lockitron runs on 4 AA batteries that last for 1 year and will send a message to you when they run low. Lockitron has built-in Wi-Fi and an Arduino-compatible Atmega microcontroller. This means that you can customize Lockitron in some pretty cool ways. And there's one more thing we're incredibly excited to show you. Lockitron lets you unlock the door simply by walking up to it. Thanks to Bluetooth 4, Lockitron finally brings keyless entry to your home.
We've invested a lot of time and energy into making what we think is a pretty radical product.
We'd like to make at least 1,000 Lockitrons for the first production run. Help us bring Lockitron to your door. Reserve one today.
Here at QuickSafes, all of our products use RFID technology and come with 4 batteries pre-installed into the product. You will also receive 2 RFID key cards, 1 RFID token, and 1 RFID key fob, along with a backup battery pack. With QuickSafe's products, the hidden compartment is perfect for storing money, jewelry, firearms, as well as other personal items. The shelves are built of high-quality material that make the perfect piece of furniture, enhancing any home or office. The Quick Vent is designed to be a fixture in the home that is easily overlooked while conveniently accessible.
So please, visit us at quicksafes.com.